Okay.
I do.
All right, perfect. I'm gonna just reach sorry for that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Pull this out a little bit. Does that feel good?
Yep, should be.
Perfect. Just tighten this up.
Okay.
And just let your foot off the brake once. And just hit it all the way down once more. Feels good?
Yep, should be perfect, man.
Perfect.
Thank you.
All right, have fun.
Oh, always.
Good, good.
Save the redhead for last.
So, what do you think?
The Ferrari layout?
Look at this, man. There is leather everywhere.
It's what Ferrari's been known for quite some
Right?
time.
I mean, the wheel, you got carbon fiber.
Right?
You got the light up there.
Yes, I can't wait to see that as long as I... So, just to make sure it's in the right mode, right?
Yep, that's how we run it.
Make sure?
And have you ever started a Ferrari before?
No, I haven't.
All right, watch this, right? This is
Yep,
your
go
one
ahead.
today.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
All I'm going to have you do is keep your foot on the brake and touch that.
Okay. And it lights up and everything.
Is that cool?
Oh my gosh, that's sweet.
Nice, and we're still recording.
It's like Christmas lights too.
So, with this one, just like the other one, we don't have like a rear parking brake. Your speedometer, and you've got the boost gauge set up, which is one of my favorite things on this car.
I was gonna comment on that too. Also,
I just found that the other day, and it makes me so happy.
Yeah, definitely. I was gonna say too, one thing I really like is just the layout of it. Just the instrument
It's a
panel,
very driver-focused car.
Right? The steering wheel's pretty sweet too, just like in a
soft leather
Lamborghini or
so what we'll do, keep your foot on that brake, and then you're gonna pull that back one time. So it should say 1 and auto.
Yep.
Perfect. I'm gonna signal my pit boss that we are ready to go.
Yeah,
and we're gonna go head out.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna roll out just a little bit, just a little bit of the wheel.
Yeah, this thing has a different start. I thought it wasn't.
It does. So it's a dual clutch, and there's a little bit of a drag.
Yep.
So you've been doing so good. And you're so much faster now. We're going behind the rear lead, and I'm not worried about you keeping up.
Well, don't be afraid to definitely give me a compliment. So
yeah, no, you are doing so good.
Thanks.
And again, we're gonna pay attention to those cones. We are gonna be keeping very good awareness, and we're gonna follow him, right?
Yep, definitely. So I don't think I said the introduction to this. So the Ferrari 488 GTB. Let's get this thing rolling.
488. Here, hold on. Let me turn the fan down.
No, that's fine. All right. So here we are, Fred again, getting the Ferrari 488 GTB out. Look forward to it. Going from there.
Let's go have some fun.
You got it. So just to make sure, do I just give him some space again?
Nope. We're gonna stay about 3 car lengths. So right here, we're gonna try to stay right about here.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, basically, if you catch one, it's like getting a leprechaun if you can keep up with them.
So this is great, right? So
yes,
the 458, which was the predecessor naturally aspirated V8, they went down a little bit in displacement on this engine, but added 2 turbos.
Yes.
Which is so much fun. And you're about to see that.
Oh my gosh, you can feel it.
So this is why I want to save this for last. First production, twin turbo V8 since the 480.
Yeah, it's been quite some time. I wonder what would happen if the F50 would have done that.
I don't know, I've always liked the idea that V12 rigidly mounted to a chassis. You're going to turn it a little earlier because you've got that nice mid-engine.
Yep.
And to feel that, right, so you're going to hang right here.
Wow, you can feel that engine and everything.
And then just give a little bit of throttle for me.
Yep, just get the hang of this bad boy.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's pleasant.
Completely different from the McLaren, even though on paper it's the same setup.
Yeah, it's like an Italian sweetheart.
Oh God, I love this car.
Italians are attractive, so it's only no doubt.
There's so much passion in these, man, and it's so obvious.
They are an art, as much as it
ready
gets
for your
questioned.
first shot of power? Let's go, give me some.
That leg, you can feel it. It's good though, otherwise.
Yep. And so a good thing with this one is sometimes if you're gonna, well, give it like a paddle downshift to bring it to the right gear helps.
Sure, makes sense. All right, let's see what she's got in the straight, shall we?
So remember, we won't get that full boost until we're right on that.
Yeah, it's basically coming to wake up. Like, I think I'm awake with my alarm.
And once that straight's out, go baby, go.
Oh my gosh, feel that straight. And the lights too are sweet. Yeah, I can tell this one wants to coast a little bit more.
So,
nice engine.
Oh God, I love it, right?
Kind of sounds like, what's up? Go.
This next time down, I'm gonna hold you just a little bit longer.
Okay.
But you need to promise me you're gonna be very firm on those brakes.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, you can tell. I'll do my best. It's
no, you're doing very good. I know you can do it, but I want you to be aware.
Sure.
Yep, hard on that brake. Hard. What do you think?
Yeah, you can tell this thing has its authentic shifting. I love that whistling too with that turbo.
Yeah, you can hear it building up.
Right?
A little bit of brake. Very good going into this corner there. those eyes up.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Keeping a nice distance, adding just a tiny bit of throttle.
Yep,
tiny
don't get overboard,
tiny bit.
right?
How do you like that?
Yeah, that's fantastic once you get a comfort zone.
What do you feel about this over the McLaren?
It's just, this is a difference. It's way more under control. The McLaren was a blast.
It was a little raw, but this is more refined.
Yep, because this thing's been in business longer for sure, so they've
Absolutely.
learned a lot, which impresses me.
Give me some. That was so much better because you were in that RPM range.
Yep, it's just, it feels weird when it shifts, so I'm like, do I really want to kill the brakes?
All right, so I'm gonna hold it a little longer.
Okay.
And when I say lift, lift, and brake hard when I say brake hard, okay?
All right, yeah, work with me.
Here we go, go baby, go. Nicely done.
Yeah.
That was what's up.
Yeah, definitely. It's just like everyone else are like, we're coming towards the wall pretty quick.
Well, but
That's
look
the
at how
only reason.
controlled you were. You had that pressure good. Great job.
Yeah, thank you.
We're not going to be as aggressive, but let's have some fun.
It's awesome to keep up with him too.
Dude, you're doing so good coming over there. This is his hot lap too, so let's get on that throttle a little bit.
Yeah, definitely work our way up, right?
Again, you remember in the Hellcat, that third lap, that's when they started cooking. You're not losing them.
I mean, I was grateful to hit 143 on my final stretch, but it's like, man.
Oh, you blew right past 143, my man.
Oh, did you? Or did? No.
Yeah, we're probably closer to 160 on that last pass.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I meant in the Challenger when I took it in December. I was like, wait, I'm confused. I just like how this thing just gives you that boost.
Oh, it sounds so good.
I love the sound of it too. There's that noise too. I love hearing the crackle.
Very nice. So I'm going to let this Corvette by so he can have a pass.
Okay.
And we're going to fall right in behind him. But give him a little space. Because again, we will run that Corvette down on the straight. So just chill back a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it's amazing how cars work to their weaknesses and strengths.
Right? I mean, that Corvette's good. For what it is, it's amazing. But
right. Still got a little catching up, but it sure has come far, you know?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
All right, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Keep an eye on when he brakes, okay? Very good. So we're going to be going into the pits. So, we saved, I think, probably the best for last.
Yeah, thank you for that. It's been a blast.
This is one of those cars where after you've got a little bit of skill, driving it is so much more rewarding.
Yes, thank you for that.
Because having gone through the rest of the fleet, you had the confidence and the ability to really get the most out of that.
Yeah, get your bang for the buck, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I gotta say, this has been a terrific experience with you. I definitely appreciate everything you've done.
Dude, thank you so much for coming to do this. This is sick.
Yeah, I was gonna say too, I was pretty grateful because I waited till that Black Friday deal to get the best.
Dude, and I'm like, I'm stoked you got a good deal.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that I got to talk to you at the end of my last season, first one with Xtreme, and now that I'm kind of going in more with the company, like being able to do you as my first drive the fleet has been just fantastic.
Yeah, I'm glad I could make it that because everything happens, you know, it gets stressful and then luck has it like, oh wow, that's so fortunate for this to happen, you know?
Yeah. Oh no, dude, it was outstanding. And even my boss is like, that is the coolest thing I've heard in a while.
Right? Thank you. So, oh yeah, just passing it on how we got along. Like
Yes,
this,
he was like, I just heard. He's like, that is so cool.
Yeah, because if he ever wants to hear more from me, I'd be glad to give him more to get you up there.
Please do, and feel free if you want to give him a review. Ask at the front of the house. They, I'll be honest, I don't know how any of that works, but and actually we're gonna end up going to fuel this.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up a little further, right up next to the AMG, and then I will deal with whatever we're gonna do.
Sounds good. Well, anyways, that was another joyride. Unfortunately, all good things got to come